All right, this is part 2 of the electrolysis PowerPoint, and we're looking at what happens if we electrolyze copper to sulfate. You should know because you've actually done it in the lab. But what we have is it says carbon electrodes, and we say those are inert. So we know this is a type 2 cell. We have a salt, and we also have to worry about water because it has the word solution. So that means we have copper and water, seeing which reduces first, and then we have sulfate and water, seeing what oxidizes first. And we know copper will reduce first, and we know water will oxidize first. So here is the copper reducing, and here we're seeing the results of the water oxidizing and generating oxygen. So electrolysis can be used for electroplating, and that means we can coat things with tin and silver and zinc, and of course you coated things with copper. If we're trying to purify copper, then in this case we can do it in a bunch of ways. We could use electrorefining or electrowinning, but the bottom line is at the cathode we're going to end up with our pure copper. So here it is, and this is just like what you would have done in the lab. You'd have a source of copper ions by having that solution. You might use inert electrodes, or if you wanted to plate an object, then you would set it up as the cathode. And since that's negative, this has to be the cathode, and the other beast has to be the anode. And really all we care about is the cathode reaction, the reduction of copper, yielding pure copper at the cathode.